Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this plant stand. In the box, all you get is your 3 pieces to actually use the plant stand and a little tool to put it together. This seems super simple. This is all wrought iron. It's all got these nice little hinges on it, which makes it incredibly easy to put together. There's not a whole lot to this, but it is really detailed and pretty. It stands about 22.5 inches tall. And this is around 11 inches of a circle. Now this thing can hold 50 pounds. So you can put a nice big pot on here to be able to highlight your plants, flowers, whatever. And then you have these nice pads on the bottom of here. So if you did want to put that on your hardwood or anything, it's not going to scratch anything up. Now because it is metal, you can leave this outside as well. So we are just going to put this together, and then we will get our plant on it. So now we've got this all pushed in together, which made that all nice and flush. And then we just add our top piece on here. And we will then take our little screws out of here and we will place them through the holes. Now we've got this really decorative all wrought iron base. It's got this beautiful top on it. So then you can place it wherever you're wanting to in the room. I'm gonna bring it in here close so we can take a look at it. So here's the top. You can see all the little detail on the top. And then on your sides, you have the same beautiful little arches all the way through here. And then you've got your non-slip grips on the bottom. And you can easily just place this in the corner of a room, by a window, put your little plants on there, it kind of raises them up and makes them so much prettier. And up on the top, there's a nice little plant stand to highlight any room and just add that extra decor.